Mingla Shit. I'm your host Yoon. So today I will explore around this area. So come along with me, guys. So as you see, this is the shopping center which is called Gamongpui. But I'm not going inside and I will find some street foods around this area. So firstly, next to me is the Thai salad shop. Along the street, I see so many restaurants, like Chinese restaurants. This is also another Chinese restaurant and dream shops. And here is the pork stick shop. Over there, I can see many people, so let's check it out. I see takoyaki, so I will try some. Now I'm ordering takoyaki, which is Japanese food, and the price per box is only 1,000 ml, so it's around 50 cents. Okay, now let's try. The smell is so nice. It's a little bit warm. Really soft and between sweet and sour taste. Yeah, I like it. The taste is not bad. So now let's go and find another street food. Let's go. So now let's explore more. Behind me is the sushi shop. As you see, the people are running to catch the bus. Let's go back to the juice shop. Oh, look here, I found the juice shop. Okay, now let's try the juice in here. Okay, let's try. The taste is really sour and sweet. Yeah, I really love this taste. Yeah. So, would you like to try it? By the way, I would like to shout out Logic Chef, who is the advanced member of our Yangon Malaysia channel. So thank you for supporting us to make better videos. So I really appreciate for your support. So now let's keep walking. Well, now I'm gonna start my videos here and hope you guys will enjoy these videos. So if you like this video, you will also like this one and this too. Bye bye. See you again next video, guys.